紀隊。
Prefects. Prefects are the guardians of campus order, maintaining a harmonious school environment.
校園義工隊。
Volunteer team.
熱心服務，用行動溫暖校園嘅每個角落。學生會。
Students Union. They represent the voice of the students, organize events, and show leadership skills.
圖書館大使。
Library ambassadors.
佢哋係閱讀推廣嘅小尖兵，大賣得探你探索書中嘅世界。慈青小先鋒。
Salesian youth pioneers. Learn to care for others, sow seeds of compassion across the campus.
慈青多明我故祭會。
Altar server community.
團隊透過宗教服務體現信仰中嘅奉獻精神。慈青服務小組。
Salesian youth service group. They step into the community, learn gratitude and the value of giving.
化聖旅行社。
Salesian tour guides.
佢哋係我哋嘅文化導賞員，為你介紹學校嘅歷史同埋特色。動物管理員。
Animal caretakers. They care for little lives with great attentiveness and cherish nature.
中文朗誦隊。
Chinese choral speaking team.
佢哋用優美嘅語調傳遞古典同埋現代文學嘅韻味。英語朗誦隊。
English choral speaking team. They demonstrate the appeal of fluent English expression with confidence.
小小科學家。
Little scientists.
喺實驗中考察發現，顯現對科學嘅好奇心。數學校隊。
Mathematics school team. They challenge logical thinking and enjoy the thrill of solving problems.
編程機械人校隊。
Coding and robotics team.
結合科技同埋創意，動手打造智能作品。游泳校隊。一學界游泳比賽缺席我哋今日嘅巡遊。花小採訪隊。
School journalists.
捕捉校園新鮮事，鍛鍊觀察同埋報導嘅能力。田徑校隊。
Track and field school team. They sprint and leap on the track, showcasing speed and perseverance.
舞蹈組。
Dance team.
透過肢體語言表達對藝術嘅美感同埋自信。排球校隊。
Volleyball school team. They emphasize teamwork, attack and defense at the net.
乒乓球校隊。
Table tennis school team.
反應敏捷，喺幫傳球場上展現技巧。羽毛球校隊。
Badminton school team. They hit powerful and accurate shots on the court.
花式跳繩校隊。
Rope skipping school team.
跳出創意節奏，展現協調同埋活力。足球校隊。
Football school team. They play as a team, striving for victory.
籃球校隊。
Basketball school team.
喺球場上奔跑傳球，展現拼搏嘅精神。管樂團。
Wind band. They play with passion, showcasing musical power.
弦樂團。
String band.
以細膩嘅演奏呈現樂器嘅優美旋律。歌詠團。
School choir.
用悠揚嘅歌聲唱出動人嘅和聲同埋情感。
Wow, what an incredible parade! Yes, the